eggs in?
Alright, go ahead, put your eggs in. Whoa, what's in the eggs? You have your skeletons in the eggs? Oh, they're going for a swim. What else? That's what a pig. Put the egg in it. What's inside that? Plop. Oh, look, it's a green squishy ball, a pink squishy ball, and then orange. Oh, spiky balls.
It's not orange, but it's purple.
Uh-oh. Right, you are so right. This is purple. And you see the eyes float. And the spiky balls, they sink. And guess what also floats? The skeletons also float. Because they're lighter than the balls. So the balls sink to the bottom. What else do you have? Crack it open. What's that? Oh, it's teal. It's a teal skeleton. And he's floating. Go, skeleton! They're so good at floating. Crack it. What's in there? Did it fall out? Oh, it's 2 googly eyes. 1, 2. So now how many googly eyes do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 so far. What else do you have? One can float. If it can float on the water, do you think it can sink? Yes. Right. If you hold it, it will sink, but if you let it go, it will float. Okay, because it's lighter. So the skeletons, they're going for a swim? What are they doing, Tyler? Good, the skeletons are swimming in the sea. The good old eyeballs can't catch me. Swimming in the sea. Can the skeleton catch me? And they go swimming in the sea. The eyeballs only never catch me. Swimming in the sea. Can the eyeballs catch me? Can they catch you? They can? Good job. Do you have more? Just a little color. You can put it directly in there. Mix it around. Now your water is blue. Are you making a Halloween soup? What's in your Halloween soup? Do you want to tell me? You have eggs, you have eggshells, you have googly eyes, you have purpley spiky balls. What else do we have in our eggs, in our Halloween soup? And some colored skeletons in our soup. This looks like so much fun. do it yourself too. It's very relaxing,
Can
right?
you get more paint?
More paint? What color paint do you want?
I want orange.
Orange. Okay, let's see if we have orange. Or this activity can be extended into doing so many other things. See, scooping and pouring. And here, when you're finished with that, you can take this brush and see what happens. Okay? Whoa.
Okay.
Yeah? You think that's enough? Okay. What's this? What color is it? What color is the water now? What color is your water?
It's blue.
Blue. Do you want to pour it in this container?